Hi, and welcome to Math 151 for the fall semester. This class is a hybrid class, which means that most of the work that you're going to do this semester is going to be done online at home, but you will need to come into campus 4 days during the semester. Our first meeting day will be on Friday, August 31st. That'll be an orientation where I kind of go through the class with you, give you time to meet other students in the class, explain what's expected of you, and we'll do a little bit of math work. Then we'll meet on September 28th for the first test. November 2nd will be the date of the second test, and the third test will be on December 7th. All of our meetings will be in FP9 from 8 to 10 in the morning. Prior to our meeting on August 31st, there are two things that you need to do. The first is you need to complete the syllabus assignment. You can access that assignment by clicking on this link, or you can go through the introduction module, and I'll show you where that is. The second thing that you need to do is you need to purchase access to my math lab and complete the orientation assignment that's in my math lab. There are, again, registration instructions in the introduction module. The way this course is set up, every time you come into the class, you'll come into the home page, and it'll look something like this. I'll change the home page every week so that you can see what things we're going to be talking about that week, what the content is that you're going to be looking at. If there's places where people typically have problems, I'll make sure that you get a chance to identify what those problems may be. If there's information I need to share with you, you need to make sure that you're reading the homepage all the way to the bottom. And I will tell you that sometimes I have a tendency to offer bonus points for extra assignments, but usually that stuff's at the bottom of the homepage. If you want to read the syllabus, and I would encourage you to read it before you do the syllabus assignment, you can click on the syllabus link on the left-hand side. You're welcome to have it open on your desktop while you are taking the syllabus assignment. You're welcome to print it out. There's no reason why you shouldn't get 10 points on the syllabus assignment. Most of this course is set up through the modules. So every time you come into the class, you'll come into the home page, click on the module, and you'll see the content for the course. Here you can see the syllabus assignment. Here's the page that shows you how to register for my math lab. Here are some strategies for success. Don't worry about the journal. We'll talk about it on the 31st when we see each other. And then you'll see the material for the course. So in this case, the first week, you'll begin with Chapter 1. The Welcome to Math 151, that's the home page. So if you click on the Chapter 1 Introduction, you'll see the material that we're going to talk about at the beginning of the week. So this is a review of pre-algebra and the material you can see. On each page, it's difficult for me to communicate with you through math using the Canvas shell. And so what I've created are PDFs that you can open, save to your computer, you can print them. The link for them is right here at the top. But they're already open on the page so that you can go in, you can scroll down and read all the way through them, and the material is there. If you want to print them and take notes, you're more than welcome to. Here's one for order of operations. Here's one for simplifying algebraic expressions, and this is how I'll communicate the content for the course. And then you'll notice at the bottom, and sometimes in the middle of each page, an orange button. The orange button, when you click on it, will take you directly into my math lab. Unfortunately, you're going to have to make sure that you have access to the course, and usually what will open will look something like this. So this is the homework assignment. You can go through and open the questions and work your way through the homework. As soon as you're done with that, you can click Next, and it takes you on to the next lesson. And here you can see video links and other material. Okay? I look forward to seeing everybody on August 31st. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I respond very quickly. I'm more than happy to help if I can with registering for my math lab. Make sure you read through the PDF on how to register for my math lab. Their instructions are pretty good.